So in this section, I'm going to teach you about the pie chart. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to teach you is that the purpose about the pie chart, and the second thing is about the how to construct the pie chart. So here, this is the pie chart, and this one is the center and the setter. Okay, we use maybe this one for this graph. We use the different colors to represent the setter, and the setter represents the different statistical item. Okay, so for example, this one. Okay, here you can see maybe you talk about the date. Okay, the number, how many sunny days, cloudy day, and also the rainy days for about the 20 days. Okay, so here you can see sunny, there is 9 days, and cloudy 6, rainy is 5. So for the pie chart, the purpose for us to use the pie chart, because we would like to see the percentage. Maybe would like to use the to see the percentage of each item. Okay, for each statistical item. For this example, we would like to see the percentage for the sunny day, and also the percentage for the cloudy and rainy day. All right, and also here we have two methods to present the pie chart. Okay, so here you can see there are two methods. Okay, for the left hand side, this one is the indicated the item as a percentage. We use the percentage of the whole. Okay, so for the right hand side, we like to use the angle. Okay, the angle to represent different item. So I teach you the left hand side first. So first of all, please write down the title. Give the title, the weather of a city in the last 20 days. Okay, so for the left hand, so this one you can see here is the percentage, and also the percentage. So rainy days, it occupies 35%. Sunny day, it represents 40. Okay, 40%. All right. So for the right hand side, this one is the weather. Okay, also the weather of the city in the last 20 days. And the main difference is that this graph, this pie chart, it used the degree. Okay, the degree to represent the each date. Okay, for rainy, it equals to 108 degree. For sunny day, it equals to 144 degree. All right, so here you can see different types of the pie chart. Okay, so the left hand side is the percentage, the right hand side is use the angle. All right, so after we construct this pie chart, so we can get some information, we can get some conclusion from this pie chart. So for this pie chart, we can say that sunny days occurs the most in the last 20 days. So why do we have this conclusion? Because you can say that, you can see sunny days. Sunny days is equals to 40%. And it is the highest one. And for the right hand side, sunny days is equals to 144 degree. It is also the highest degree in this pie chart. So we can say that sunny day is occur the most. And also here you can see 35 and 35. So we can say that the rainy day and also the cloudy days occurred in the same. Okay. So for the angles of each setters, we need to use the 360 degree times percentage of an item. For example, as we mentioned before, for the sunny day, it is about 40%. So in this terms, we need to use 360 degree times 40%. And after our calculation, we can find out the answer should equals to 144 degree. So that is the methods for us to calculate the degrees for each setter. So we need to use 360 times the percentage of each item. Okay. So here you can see some steps for used to teach you how to construct a pie chart. So now I can tell you for this example, it asks you to construct a pie chart. Okay, according to the data below. Maybe this one is about the how many students that likes for each of the festival. Okay, for example, some students might like Lunar New Year, and some may like Easter holiday, and some may like Midterm Festival. Okay, so 6, 4, and 22 and 2, and I don't know why most students like Christmas days. I don't know. Okay, so for the first step, okay, you need to find out the sums of this data. Okay, the sums of this data. So it should equals to 6 plus 6 plus 4 plus 22 plus 2. So the final answer is equals to 40. That means the total numbers of students equals to 40. Okay, 40. And then for each item, the Lunar New Year's, okay, as an example, we try to find out the percentage. So 6 divided by 40 times 100%, so it equals to 15%. Okay, for Easter, we also write down 6 divided by 40 times 100%, and Mid-Autumn Festival, 4 divided by 40 times 100% equals to 10%. So here is the percentage. Okay, here is the percentage, and then since we need to construct a pie chart, and also for the sectors of each pie chart, we need to know the angle of each sector. Okay, so as we mentioned before, we need to use 360 degree times the percentage of each item, and then find out the angle. Alright, so you need to calculate it step by step. Alright, you need to calculate it step by step. And then you can find out the degrees for all the item. Okay, and then try to use maybe you can use your projector to construct the this pie chart. Okay, at least this one. And then maybe you can use your projector 量角器, okay, to construct it. Okay, for example, for the Lunar New Year, it is 54 degree. Okay, so you can construct this one. Okay, this one is 54 degree, and then for another. Okay, so for the step 2, you need to consider which methods that this pie chart want to show us. Okay, for the left hand side is about the percentage, so you just write down. Okay, for example, Christmas is 55%, and the Mid-Autumn Festival is about 10%. So if here is do not have enough space for you to write down the Mid-Autumn Festival, so you can write down at the outside of the pie chart, and then draw this out to represent this sector that it is Mid-Autumn Festival. All right. And for the right hand side, okay, for the right hand side, this one is about the it use the degree to represent the percentage of each data. Okay, so for the Christmas, it is 198 degree. For Mid-Autumn Festival is 36 degree. All right. So it depends on which methods that the question asks you to do. All right, and for the final part, you need to give a title to the pie chart. And sometimes I would like to do this part as the first part. If I will try to construct a pie chart, I would like to write down the title first, and then to calculate the percentage for each part, and also calculate the degrees for each item. And later on, I would like to construct the pie chart and also give the names to each sector. All right. So this is the methods for use to construct a pie chart. All right.